After gathering reviews from all over the internet, this is what users are saying about the Flying Ball Orb. Toys hover-soaring flying toy globe. Shape Magic Boomerang Spinner Hand Controller, mini drone for kids and adults. Brought to you by Ken Home. If you own this item, please leave a review in the comments to help others make an informed decision. The product link is in the description, and using it supports the channel. The Flying Ball Orb. Toy stands out as a unique and engaging gadget designed for both kids and adults, offering a blend of entertainment, creativity, and interactive play. Its globe shape, magic boomerang spinner functionality, and hand-controlled operation make it a compelling choice for those looking for an innovative toy that can be enjoyed indoors and outdoors. The toy features a cool RGB light system, which not only adds to its visual appeal, but also enhances the overall play experience, especially in dim or dark environments. The colorful lights are a significant draw for children and adults alike, making the toy a centerpiece during gatherings or family playtime. One of the most praised aspects of the Flying Ball Orb toy is its protective cage, constructed from high-grade ABS material. This cage is lightweight, flexible, and drop-resistant, ensuring that the toy can withstand the inevitable bumps and falls that come with active play. The mesh shell design is particularly important for safety, as it encloses the propellers and prevents fingers from coming into contact with moving parts. This feature is especially reassuring for parents who are concerned about the safety of younger children. The toy is also lightweight, weighing just 4.2 ounces and measures 3.54 inches in diameter, making it easy to handle and transport. The USB rechargeable battery is another convenience that users appreciate. Charging the toy is straightforward. Simply connect it to the included USB cable for about 25 to 30 minutes, and you'll get up to 10 minutes of flying time. While the flight duration is relatively short, the quick recharge time means that play can resume without much delay. However, some users have noted that the battery life could be longer, as the toy tends to run out of power quickly, especially during extended play sessions. This is a common limitation among compact flying toys, but it is something to keep in mind if you're looking for longer, uninterrupted play. Performance-wise, the Flying Ball Orb toy offers a unique boomerang effect that is determined by the angle and speed at which it is thrown. This feature encourages creativity and experimentation as users can develop their own tricks and techniques to manipulate the flight path. Many reviewers highlight the fun and excitement of seeing the ball return to their hand or fly in unexpected patterns. The hand-controlled aspect adds a sense of magic, with some users describing it as feeling like a wizard waving a wand. This interactive element makes the toy engaging for solo play, as well as group activities where friends and family can take turns or invent games. Despite its many strengths, the toy is not without its drawbacks. Some users report that it can be difficult to control, especially for younger children or adults who are new to flying toys. The learning curve requires patience and practice, and the toy may not always perform as expected right out of the box. There are accounts of the ball spinning out of control or crashing, even when instructions are followed closely. This inconsistency in performance can be frustrating, particularly for those who expect a more predictable or stable flight experience. It is also important to play with the toy away from fragile objects, as accidental collisions can occur, especially in smaller indoor spaces. Build quality is another area where opinions are mixed. While the ABS cage provides some protection, several reviewers mention that the toy is not the most durable and can break if subjected to rough handling or frequent impacts. The toy's lightweight construction, while beneficial for flight, may contribute to its susceptibility to damage. Users recommend avoiding bouncing it off walls or hard surfaces to prolong its lifespan. On the positive side, the toy's anti-drop and AI technology features are designed to enhance durability and ease of use, but real-world experiences suggest that gentle handling is still necessary. The Flying Ball Orb toy is marketed as suitable for a wide age range, with a manufacturer-recommended minimum age of 6 years. It is described as a fun novelty gift for birthdays, holidays, or any occasion where a unique present is desired. Many users have purchased the toy as a gift for children, grandchildren, or even co-workers' children, and it is often well received, especially by those who enjoy electronics and interactive gadgets. The toy's appeal extends to adults as well, with some reviewers noting that it provides a welcome distraction and a way to relieve stress. In terms of usability, the toy is easy to operate. To turn it on or off, simply shake the ball and it is ready for play. The intuitive controls mean that even those with little experience can quickly learn how to use it. The toy is versatile enough for both indoor and outdoor use, making it suitable for backyards, parks, gardens, schools, or even offices. Its compact size allows it to be carried in a pocket, so it can be taken anywhere for spontaneous fun. The toy's popularity is reflected in its sales rank and customer ratings. It ranks #49521 in Toys and Games and #64 in Flying Toys on Amazon, with an average customer rating of 4.0 out of 5 stars based on 1,789 reviews. Positive feedback often centers on the toy's entertainment value, colorful lights, and group play potential. Families report having a great time playing together, and the toy is frequently described as fun for all ages. The novelty factor and the ability to perform tricks or play games with others contribute to its widespread appeal. On the other hand, negative reviews typically focus on the toy's short battery life, occasional difficulty in control, and concerns about durability. Some users express disappointment that the toy did not live up to their expectations or did not perform as advertised. There are also instances where the toy failed to function properly, spinning out of control or crashing despite careful use. These issues highlight the importance of managing expectations and recognizing that, while the toy offers a unique and enjoyable experience, it may not be perfect for everyone. When considering the Flying Ball Orb toy as a gift or personal purchase, it is important to weigh its strengths and limitations. The toy excels in providing interactive, visually stimulating play that encourages creativity and group participation. Its safety features and ease of use make it accessible to a broad audience, and its compact, portable design ensures that it can be enjoyed in a variety of settings. However, potential buyers should be aware of the relatively short battery life, the need for gentle handling to avoid damage, and the possibility of a learning curve when it comes to mastering control. Overall, the Flying Ball Orb Toy's hover soaring, flying toy globe shape, magic boomerang, spinner hand controller, mini drone is a fun and innovative gadget that brings a sense of magic and excitement to playtime. It is especially well suited for families, groups of friends, or anyone looking for a unique way to engage with others and explore creative play. While it may not be the most durable or long-lasting toy on the market, its entertainment value and visual appeal make it a worthwhile consideration for those seeking something different. In summary, user feedback from across the internet paints a picture of a toy that is both captivating and occasionally challenging. The colorful lights, boomerang effect, and hand-controlled operation are major highlights, while concerns about battery life, control, and durability are common themes among less satisfied users. If you are interested in a gadget that offers interactive fun and a touch of magic, and you are willing to accept some limitations, the Flying Ball Orb Toy is a product worth trying. Don't forget to check the link in the description to learn more or make a purchase. And please leave your own review in the comments if you have experience with this item, as your feedback can help others make informed decisions.